Hi and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Wayne, I'm the General Sales Manager and I'm going to take you for a walk around tour of our 2014 super low kilometre Suzuki Jimny 4-wheel drive. Now these are an amazing little machine that will probably take you further in the bush off-roading than most of the larger 4-wheel drives. Starting at the front, it is fully colour coded. You will note that it's got the areas there which you can add additional fog lights if required, and really open front grille area. Now I will note, condition wise the car presents really well. It's had a small bump here which has had a minor repair, but it's only on the plastic grille bit at the front. The rest of the front presents really good all the way across and through. Bonnet itself, not many stone chips. It's actually pretty tidy in its paintwork, and you've also got that really good looking bonnet scoop up the top there as well. Now moving down to the driver's side, it does have really nice colour coded flares housing the 15-inch metallic grey alloy wheels, and these have got really good Bridgestone jeweler tyres, so plenty of tread left on those as well. You can upgrade these to a slightly bigger tyre package as well if you are going to be using the car for off-roading. Previous owner has fitted the weather shields. Now these are great if you want to have your window down a little bit. When it is raining outside, it doesn't let the water come inside the vehicle. And this Jimny has got the roof rails, and it's also been fitted with the crossover roof racks there as well if you needed to carry anything extra up the top. Car is in excellent condition down this side. There's really no damage of any kind to note. It's actually very tidy. That rear alloy wheel is unmarked and again got plenty of tread left on the tyre there as well. Now as we move around to the back, this car does have reverse sensors, colour-coded white on the outside edges and then black ones down next to the number plates there. And you do have a full-size alloy spare wheel, again completely unmarked, and this one's got a brand new matching tyre on there as well. Moving into the back, even though it is only a small car, a decent amount of space there behind that back row of seats. And you can see the previous owners fitted these anchor points for any child seat requirements you might have on that second row there as well. And the plastic on the inside of the rear door, really tidy with only a couple of very minor little marks there as well. Moving around to the passenger side, again much the same as the driver's side, really tidy. Even this alloy wheel, which is the one that normally wears the brunt of the gutters, has no marks at all on it, and the paintwork throughout is really tidy. This car has been fitted with tinted windows, as you can see looking at this one here. Very dark tint and contrasts really nicely against that white paintwork. And again, got a matching weather shield on the passenger side there as well. And much to the credit of the previous owner, apart from the one little bump at the front, they've certainly kept the car in excellent condition all the way around. And again, another unmarked alloy wheel with plenty of tread on that tyre as well. Okay, having a look under the bonnet of the little Jimny now, you will note this is a 1.3 litre 4-cylinder engine. Doesn't rave about its power output at 62.5 kilowatts, but what it does do is give you sensational fuel economy. It is listed at around 7.4 litres per 100 Ks, and it does have a 40 litre fuel tank. So again, for a small car, it will take you quite a distance. And again, the key attribute of these little cars is their off-road capabilities, and also being super easy to park given the size. Now, if you were to add a tow bar to the vehicle, it does have a surprising towing capacity of 1,300 kilos as well. Feel free to certainly ask us more about the engine and capacities it has, but Suzuki do a great job, and this is a very well-renowned engine that they've built. Okay, sitting inside the Jimny now, you'll note it is quite a cosy little feeling in here, but still pretty packed with features considering the year and what the car's purpose built for. It does have the electric windows to both doors with an automatic up and down on the driver's window, and you've also got the power window lock to stop the left-hand side playing with them there. We do still have electric mirrors and ESP stability control up on the dash behind the wheel here. Your indicators and headlights are over here on the right hand stalk. We do have two factory keys. One has the buttons for the remote central locking and the other one is more of a static spare. And then you've got your wiper controls on the left hand stalk here for the front and also the rear. Nice, easy to read dash gauges behind the steering wheel there, white illuminated numbers with a small LCD display in the middle. And again, remembering this is super low kilometres on this car at only 35,000 Ks. down through the middle, all nice and easy to operate. So we've got our hazard lights up here in the middle. We've got our radio and CD player in here. Got our aircon controls, really easy. Direction of air, fan speed in the middle, your AC control here, and then the temperature. And this is your recirculated or your fresh air coming in from the outside. Now down here we've got our four-wheel drive controls. So you do have two-wheel drive, which is what it's going to run in as standard. Then you've got four-wheel drive and also four-wheel drive low. And again, it's worth jumping onto YouTube and having a look at some videos of how far the Jimnys get. 12-volt power socket in underneath here. Small amount of storage just in front of the gear stick there, and again it is a 4-speed auto gearbox down into drive here on the right hand side. And then if you are doing some off-roading, you'll be using this gear stick down into the low range gears for getting you where you need to go. It's got a cup holder in the middle here just behind the gear stick, handbrake handle, and again a little bit more storage next to that there as well, and 2 more cup holders in the back there as well. The trim inside the car, guys, really does present as a 35,000 kilometre example should. Look at these seat trims, really nice pattern through the middle, but no wear and tear whatsoever. Carpets are in excellent condition, and you've also got a couple little storage points, one over here and the glove box there housing the books as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch our walk around presentation of the 2014 Suzuki Jimny Sierra. Again, super low kilometres, well looked after example, and we'd love to tell you more about it. If you'd like to arrange a test drive or do what nearly 50% of our customers do and secure the vehicle over the phone, it's a simple phone call to us here on 9907 0555. Couple other things to note before I do go. Berwick Mitsubishi prides itself on our customer service. If you jump onto Google, look at Berwick Mitsubishi, you'll see over 1,100 people have left us a review, and we're sitting at 4.8 out of 5 stars, meaning our customers Australia-wide really do enjoy doing business with us. Julie, who's our business manager, will be more than happy to look at tailoring a finance package to suit your requirements. And in terms of warranty, please talk to us about our premium mechanical protection plan. This will give you 5 years of mechanical cover, parts and labour, up to 200,000 kilometres with a per claim amount of $3,600, which on a car like this is sure to get you out of trouble. It isn't an additional cost, but if you are looking to finance your purchase, it doesn't add much per week. So again, please ask us about that. We'd love the opportunity to tell you a little bit more about the car and how we do business, so please don't hesitate in calling again. The number is 9907 0555. Thanks for watching.